1993 in a hearing about evidence in a 30-year-old capital murder case. It stems from the 1993 conviction of Jeffrey Wogenstahl for kidnapping and murdering 10-year-old Amber Garrett. Now, his defense team is asking a judge to toss that conviction out and grant him a new trial based on new evidence. WCPO 9 News reporter Connor Steffen shows us what happened in court today.
Attorney Elizabeth Eric took the stand first on day 3. She worked on Wogenstahl's case in 2013 for the Ohio Public Defender's Office's Death Penalty Department.
So after you were assigned to Mr. Wogenstahl's case, would you have reviewed the full record of the case to familiarize yourself with it?
Yes.
The defense is arguing for a new trial in part based on Harrison police records they claim were never shared with Wogenstahl's original defense team. In reviewing the original case file, Eric says she never received those police records either.
Is it likely that you just missed these records in the file?
No.
And why not?
Because I remember when we got these records and they presented to me as not something that I had seen before in his case, and then in the course of preparing to file the petition.
The prosecution chose not to cross-examine Eric. The second witness called was juror number 3 from Wogenstahl's 1993 trial. We were asked not to record her. Her testimony centered on her recollections as a juror, what evidence moved her to convict Wogenstahl, and the doubt she had about the decision. Quote, "The prosecution really had no physical evidence," she said. She explained she took issue with the fact no murder weapon had been presented at the trial. In the cross-examination, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Elizabeth Polston pushed back on the notion there was no physical evidence, citing the speck of blood evidence found in Wogenstahl's car and the pubic hair found in Amber Garrett's underwear. An FBI agent testified during the trial that the hair could be linked to Wogenstahl. The witness responded, quote, "The prosecutor said the hair was insignificant because they couldn't prove it one way or the other." The third person to testify in court was a forensics expert. The defense plans to call one more witness on Friday and another sometime next week. At the Hamilton County Courthouse, Connor Steffen, WCPO 9 News.